Hi guys, today we'll be making keto brownies. They have 2.5 net carbs per serving, and they actually taste really good. So let's go over everything we need. 28 grams of unsweetened baking chocolate, 11 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 3/4 of a cup of almond flour, 2 room temperature eggs, 2/3 a cup of xylitol, 9 tablespoons of grass-fed butter, a half cup of raw unsalted walnut pieces. You'll also need some parchment paper and an 8 by 8 inch baking dish. So first let's preheat the oven to 350 degrees. In a microwave safe dish, add your baking chocolate and your butter. Now microwave 15 seconds at a time, breaking up the chunks of chocolate with a fork until completely melted. I'm sorry, this kind of looks like diarrhea. There we go, much better. Now once it's completely smooth, set it aside to cool down a little bit. In a separate bowl, whip up your room temperature eggs. Now set that aside as well, and let's combine our dry ingredients. To a large mixing bowl, we're going to add 2/3 a cup of xylitol, 3/4 a cup of almond flour, 11 tablespoons of cocoa powder.
I'm in love with the cocoa. I'm in love.
And I forgot to mention this earlier, but a half teaspoon of salt. Now mix it up until you break up all the clumps. Now grab the melted chocolate and butter and check to make sure it's lukewarm to the touch. Now give it a quick stir, and now mix in your eggs. Now combine your wet and dry ingredients. Now for you nutty people out there, it's time to add the walnuts. Your dough will have a pretty thick consistency by the time you're done. Now cut down your parchment paper to fit your dish. Now pop it in the oven for 22 minutes. When you go to take them out, stick a knife in the middle and make sure it comes out clean. Now carefully lift them up by the parchment paper and set aside to cool. Or if you're super impatient like me, stick them in the freezer for 5 minutes. Now cut them up into 16 pieces.